Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you've not yet subscribed, why don't you hit on that subscribe button? So, today we're going to be doing Scotch egg. Let's get right into the recipe. So, fam, the first thing we're going to be doing is to add 8 eggs to boiling water and a pinch of salt and let it cook for about 20 minutes. So, fam, the next thing we're going to be doing is to marinate our salmon. Marinate your salmon and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then go ahead and steam it for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how you like it. So fam, once your eggs are ready, put them in a bowl of cold water and you could peel it gently, making sure that the shells don't take away the egg white. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to prepare our salmon for coating. Just go ahead and mash your salmon so fine, and then you could add 2 eggs. So fam, the next thing you want to do is to separate your salmon into 8 different portions. Lightly flatten every portion and put an egg in the middle, and then use your hand to mold it round. So fam, once you've coated your egg with salmon, the next coat is going to be breadcrumbs. You just want to lightly tap your ball into your breadcrumbs so that it goes all around. Don't over put breadcrumbs on it. So fam, once we've coated our eggs, we're going to go ahead and fry them. You have to use a deep frying method for these, and make sure the oil covers the Scotch egg once you put them in it, and then you have to fry it under low heat for about 10 minutes till golden brown. Well fam, our Scotch eggs are ready. Go ahead and give yourself a treat. You deserve it for watching this video till this moment. So fam, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also on my other social media platforms. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.